Welcome back to Coding Drift. In the previous video, we have seen how we can trigger manual validation in React hook form. In this video, we will see how we can integrate yep as an external validator for React hook form. So yep is a schema-based validation library. First, let us install yep as well as React hook form resolvers. So I'll open the terminal and run npm install yep and hook form slash resolvers. Let us wait for the installation to complete. Now the installation is complete. Now what I'll do is I will not modify this existing component. I'll create a new component. Let me call it as form. Let me initialize a component here. Okay, so what I've done is I created a form component. I copy pasted all the code from app.tsx and I removed all the unnecessary things, just three fields, so that we can have validation for these three fields. So I'll also remove this validation. This validation will be done using yep. So I'll not have any React hook form validations. Now first let me import the yep resolver from hook form slash resolvers slash yep. We just installed this hook form slash resolvers. Next, I'll import everything as yep from yep. Now I need to write a schema object. Schema is equal to yep dot object. Here we will write all our validations. So we have a name field that is a string and which is required. Whenever field is not entered, we will say this is the error message to be displayed. And I need to add a min validation also. Let us say if the name is less than 2 characters, then I'll show this error message. Name should be at least 2 characters. So that is for name. Let us add validation for other field, which is email, which is also a string. Yep, dot string, which is required. Again, I'll say email is required. Also, there is inbuilt email validation. So if an invalid email is entered, we will display that to the user. So the last one is a website, which is again a string and which is required. I'll copy paste from here. I'll change this to website. And also if you want to add some regex validation, right, you can do dot matches of the regex. So dot matches, pass in the regex for that particular field and the error message. So this schema is ready. Now we need to pass this to the use form hook. So how we can pass it is I will have a resolver. We have imported yup resolver here. So pass this schema to yup resolver. So that is the code. Let us test this and see if it is working fine. Before that, ensure that you are importing the yup form component in your main.tsx. So I refresh the page and click on register. As you can see, we are getting the error message. I think we did not give required validation for website. You can give that also. So if I type a invalid website and click on register, we are not getting any error message because we are not displaying the error message here. Let us go ahead and display that here below the input. This is website. So as you can see, we are getting the error message there as well. So if I change and provide a correct website, that error message is going away. So that is how you can integrate Yup with the React hook form. In the next video, we will see how we can integrate Zord with React hook form. Thank you for watching. If you're liking this series, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.